I visited the Roseville Mall in Roseville, Minnesota last December. Lo and behold, I came across this TOPPS fan stand vending machine, which offered a variety of trading cards, including baseball, basketball, football, soccer, UFC, and WWE cards. It provided access to sealed packs from various products, catering to different collector interests. Donruss, Magic the Gathering, One Piece, Panini, TOPPS, Yu-Gi-Oh! Let's try baseball. Allen and Ginter Hobby 2-pack for $19.99. How about the TOPPS Pro Debut Hobby Box? $199.
Don't forget, collect what you like, because if it goes up or down, you still like it. And try not to buy a box more than $120, because we like the stuff, but what we're getting out of it ain't been worth it lately.
How about a 25-piece top loaders and sleeves for $5.99? It's always nice to have supplies. Let's go NBA. 25 Chronicles Hobby, 1-pack, no price. 2024-25 Select Hobby Basketball Blaster, $44.95. Let's go hockey. Oh, not a big selection in here, the state of hockey. Let's go NFL. 2024 Panini Prism Blaster Box, $54.99. 2024 TOPPS Resurgence Hobby Pack, $34.95. Let's go UFC. Big shout out to Cloudsy. Let's look at all the cards. Scrolling. What is the price on the 2025 Bowman Chrome UFB Hobby Pack? $9.99? Is there anything cheaper? How about the 2025 Donruss Baseball Hobby Pack? There it is. $6.95? Yeah, that's more my speed. Let's add it to the cart. No discount. What? Don't they know who I am? Plus 62 cents tax for a total of $7.57. Okay, time to pay the piper.
Authorizing.
I'd rather shop Mr. 95 cents eBay store than Mr. 57 cents sterile card box. Okay, let's watch it take the plunge of death. Oh, wait a minute, it's an elevator system. Safely delivers product without dropping them. Please ignore my beefy mitt. There it is, a 2025 Donruss Baseball Hobby Pack, and it comes in a small acrylic box to maintain mint condition. All right, there it is, Hobby Fan Stand Vending Machine. Okay, this is the pack that came out of the TOPPS Fan Stand Vending Machine, and it's a 2025 Donruss, and it comes in this cool little plastic container. So take that out of there. So yeah, it's kind of neat, kind of help protect the card, or help protect the pack a little. Just a little about the product. Look for incredible on-card autographs in the retro 1997 Donruss Signature Series autograph set with names such as Paul Skeens. Hunt for the ultra rare stained glass and Night Moves insert sets. For the first time ever, find the incredible Get to Know and Donruss Sketches autograph cards. So maybe we'll pull something cool out of there. It's almost like you deserve it when you pay. What did I pay for this one? $6.95 was the base price, and then there was tax and everything, so it was like $7 something. So hopefully this pack will pay for itself with some inserts, or God forbid a autograph card. That'd be cool. So yeah, had this pack for a while, so it's kind of fun to open it. And ooh, there's something shiny in there, so put that on the bottom. Okay, and I got my supplies in case we pull something good. Put it in plastic, get it sent off to PSA, get a PSA 10, and then retire. So, Darren Baker. Ooh, that's a shiny card. This was kind of on the bottom.
The JT Snow was aware and got Darren Baker out of the way. Goodness.
So, rated rookie. It's a nice card. Should get that sleeved up. So there you go. Darren Baker. So shiny, so shiny. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've come across these baseball, or I should say sports card vending machines. Ian Kinsler. Shout out Justin, 3 Good Nerds. Jace Jung, Tigers. Or is it Jace Young? Shout out Mac Wax Stacks. Oh, Jake Arrieta with the Cubbies. I remember he was with the Orioles. I saw him at Ed Smith Stadium in Sarasota, and for a spring training game, that was their. That still is the spring training home park for the Orioles, Sarasota Ed Smith Stadium, and Jake Arrieta came by right where I was sitting. I handed him my program and got his autograph. Nice guy. He had some great years with the Cubbies. Once he was traded over to the Cubs, had some really good years. So it's fun to get old Jake. Shout out Sports Card Ripping Teacher. Shout out. Well, look at that though. Little damage. Little, oh shoot, little, I don't know if that, it's like a little lip here. There you go. It's not good. I wonder if that had anything to do with the vending machine or not. I would think not, because it was in the pack and it was in that plastic thing. I think it was just a quality control issue. But anyway, shout out all the Cubs fans. Speed Racer, Vintage Card, Steve, a lot of Cub fans. If I didn't mention you, I apologize, but I'm a Cubs fan as well, so nice. Here we go. Doc Gooden, and more damage. More damage right here. Great. Yeah. So maybe the vending machines gets all the rejects. I don't know. Allegedly. I don't want to have a lawsuit by TOPPS, but yeah. But anyway, ignoring that, gotta love the doc. Let's see, Mets fans. Of course, you got Mookie Chilson. You've got Pastor Ken's curveballs. I like the Mets. I love watching their games mainly because they're announcers. Keith Hernandez, Ron Darling, and Gary Cohn. Awesome broadcast.
Oh, dabbed. CT dabbed. That's what you have to do these days.
Wait a second. Isn't that totally like passe now?
What is that?
The dab?
What the hell is that?
Didn't we lose the dab like 6 months ago?
Well, it's a routine fly ball. For crying out loud.
Very entertaining. So for about 4 or 5 year stretch, I had the MLB, the at bat package or whatever, and I would watch almost every single Mets games. Just because, like I said, I enjoyed the announcers and the team was fun as well. So good to get the doc. Oops. Doesn't matter. These are already ruined anyway. The Arrieta card. Yeah, that had the... So yeah, all the cards so far have had that... It's not a crease, it's like a bend or a fold. The Kinsler did not. Oh, yeah, Kinsler did. There's the bad. Well, thankfully, the only card that didn't have that is the what do you call it? The parallel or the refractor. Yeah, the refractor. Oops, got a little sneak peek of that one. Rated prospect. Doesn't even. Oh, it's. I can't even. It's hard to see.
Magoo, you've done it again.
Have to look on the back. Oh, Thatcher Hurd. This is a Yankee. Yep, great. So I'm getting some good teams. Shout out, Angry Old Man, Ed. Shout out, of course, Mr. 95 Cents, Gerald Giordano. Shout out, Victor Negron. Shout out any other Yankee fans that need to be mentioned. This one doesn't have the fold, so that's good. So he's a rated prospect. Let me know in the comments if any of these are any good. Thatcher Hurd. Great name. So how would this be? So if Thatcher Hurd married Margaret Thatcher and somehow Thatcher kept or adopted Margaret's maiden name, he would be Thatcher. I'm sure there's a better way to say that joke, but Thatcher. All right. Matt. God, I cannot. Even with cheaters, I cannot read that.
Magoo, you've done it again.
Matt Shaw. Jeez, another Cubby. So regionally, because of I'm me being a fan of these teams, I'm a fan of the Yankees as well. I should have mentioned that. Again, with Michael Kay, Paul O'Neill, Ken Singleton, David Cone. Man, they had some great broadcasts as well. So again, I used to listen to watch a lot of their games. So, but getting back to the Cubs. So hopefully, another rated rookie. So let me know, Cubs fans, what you think of Matt Shaw. Yeah, of course, Donruss and Panini didn't have license, so just looks like I don't know, like any generic team right there. Let's looks like almost like an amateur team, something like that. So there's one card left, and unfortunately it's not an autograph or anything. Another shiny card, Caleb Lomavita. So actually both of our shiny cards are with the Nationals, so that's interesting. You know, I can't even shout out any National fans. I don't know. I'm sure there are. Let me know if you're a Nationals fan. I'm sure it'll mean the world to you, but sure it ruined your life if I didn't mention you. But yeah, I would be happy to mention any National fans next time. Let me know if Caleb Lomavita is good. I like the catching cards. Remember back in the day, Ramos, blanking on his first name. Oh, actually it's a numbered card. Woohoo! 21 out of 25. So if he's any good, this is a good card. But back in the day, it was, remember Ramos was the catcher. Wasn't Bryce Harper a catcher for a while? I think Washington had some good catchers. So hopefully Caleb Lomavita will follow in the footsteps. Yeah. Cool to get a numbered card. 21 out of 25. Alright. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think of the TOPPS fan stand vending machine? And then kind of as a bonus at the end, I got some footage of when I was in Vegas with Mrs. CC. Came across another vending machine called Lucky Box. Make up your own joke there. Then we went into a store called Field of Dreams. It's a TriStar Productions. I assume they're like an authenticator. So they had a really bunch of cool autographed items in there. A lot of cool memorabilia. So let me know what you think of that at the very end. So yeah, take a look. Stay tuned for that. If you like this video, appreciate a thumbs up. Again, love to hear your comments. Please subscribe. I got lots of stuff coming out sooner than later, because I'm really backed up with a lot of items that I want to show that I think you'll enjoy. Until then, for the 2025 Donruss pack that came out of a TOPPS fan stand vending machine, my name is Rob Sagady, the commenting collector, and as always, good collecting. Let's take a look at that lucky box that I found in Las Vegas. Each machine features a rotating lineup of graded Pokémon and sports cards, authentic fans' autographed jerseys, and rare memorabilia. Every pull guarantees a win with a chance to unlock ultra rare grails or exclusive redemptions. The gold jersey mystery box costs $269. Silver jersey mystery box $179. Pokemon mystery box costs $79. Sports card mystery box $159 plus tax. Here's some of the wins. Signed Fernando Tatis Jr. game-worn cleats. Autographed World Cup Argentina Lionel Messi jersey. Here's the Field of Dreams in Vegas Goonies frame cast signed cut autograph piece. Back to the Future frame cast signed hoverboard piece. Larry Thomas signed card with No Soup for You inscription. Frame signed Pele Brazil jersey. Framed Doors the movie piece signed by Val Kilmer and Meg Ryan. Framed Happy Days piece signed by actors that played Fonzie, Richie, Ralph, Malph, and Potsy. PSA Gem Mint Christmas Vacation card signed by Chevy Chase and Beverly D'Angelo. Karate Kid signed Ralph Macchio and William Zabka. Sandlot cast signed baseball Larry Thomas signed Campbell Soup Can with "No Soup for You" inscription. PSA Gem Mint Ty Webb 1980 style trading card signed by Chevy Chase. PSA 10 Fletch card signed by Chevy Chase. Again, all these great items can be found at Field of Dreams, TriStar Production Store, Vegas.